Hello everyone, so welcome back to the series playing with the Docker. And in this video, we will explore some more power of Docker. And as we know nowadays, it's the time of AI. ChatGPT and lot of LLMs like Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini are pretty famous nowadays. So in this video, we will try to set up a local LLM model, basically a small LLM model in our laptop with the help of Docker in few very small steps. So let's get started. Uh, so the model we are going to use is Phi. Phi is a model developed by Microsoft, and it's a small large language model which can fit into a laptop. Its size is around 2 GB. So it is not that powerful as ChatGPT, but it's good. Like you can interact with ChatGPT, it will answer most of the things. Even I am not sure how much powerful it is, but I guess we can make a small custom agent in our laptop with it with this model. So let's get started without wasting our any time. So I will assume we all know basic Docker commands. If you don't know, you can again tell me. I will make few videos on that. Else, let's get started. So as in yours on my screen, you guys can see I already have VS Studio VS Code open. Visual Studio Code is already open, and you can see some files. These files just have some Docker commands and curl command, one Docker command and two curl command already running, so that basically I won't forget them, and it will be easy to manage. So okay, so first thing we will do is we will run a Docker container with image of Olama. Olama is basically a tool which help us to set up uh, language models very easily in our system and use them. If you wanna learn more about it, you are free to go and check on internet, or even you can ask ChatGPT and all. It will explain. But right now, I will just let explain how we can set up a LLM model with Docker in few small steps. Okay, so the first thing we will do, we will run a Docker container of Olama container at this port on host machine. I will explain the command. Okay, so sudo run. Basically sudo run is sudo docker run basically used to start a Docker container. Here -rm flag is used to remove a container when I will stop it, so that it won't stay in like docker ps-a. Basically it won't stay, it will be deleted whenever I will stop this container, so that if I will run this command again, it will start a new container. And -1 interactive basically is to run it in an interactive mode, basically like logs and all, everything will be printed in the same terminal where I will run this command. And -have name flag is used to specify the container name which I want to give, and -p flag is used for port forwarding. So it's basically saying a host port this will be mapped to, sorry about that. So -p flag is basically saying a host port of this will be mapped to this port of Docker container, and in the end the Docker image we are going to use, which is Olama/Olama. You can explore it on Docker Hub. Basically that's a tool. Olama is a tool which will help us set up language models locally easily. So I guess that's enough. uh, I hope you all understood. Basically it's a Docker command to start a Olama Docker container. So let's run it without wasting any time. If you don't like to script node, so I am just copying pasting this command into terminal, because that's the thing which is going to happen. So let's run it. It is asking for my sudo password. Let's enter it. So it is saying unable to find Olama image locally, so it will pull Docker image. Okay, so it looks like it pulled the Docker image. So uh, log seems to be fine. So Olama container is ready. Basically, Olama Docker container is ready. We will start a new terminal, and now what we can do is, as we see here, it is starting Olama Docker container at this port 11434. Uh, so now we want to install fee model in our Olama. I told you like Olama help us to set up LLM models easily. So uh, you see on localhost this port Olama is running, and at the slash API slash pull endpoint, if we pass this content type JSON with name fee, then basically it will pull all the resources which it need to run a fee LLM model, and it will pull it, and it will basically start it and set up it and all. So let's give our uh, Olama container a API call to install and set a fee LLM model into it. So let's run this command in our terminal and enter it. So it is saying pulling many. So finally we can see like our fee model is installed successfully. We can see status success. It's downloaded completely. So it's time to interact with our fee LLM model. So just copy this, and let's set this response to the server, and let's see what it is. And see like what is gonna respond. So what we gonna do, we will just send this curl command with this paper payload which have model name which is fee, and the prompt like the question which we want to ask. So let's copy this, and just clear the logs for the good output. Control V. Okay, so what you guys wanna ask? Okay, what should we ask? Mm, what is fee? No, we should ask some interesting questions. Suggest me some uh, good music. No, good movies to watch. Any. Give me names. Okay, so let's see how it will respond. Enter. Okay. Oh, so see, like it is streaming the response. Like, you can see in response, you're done. I be happy to help. We can see it is responding, but like it is streaming. So this kind of response come like if you are interacting, it will just write your this word in your chat, so it will look like kind of responsive. uh, if we don't stream, then it will return all the input at once, but in that case it will be like take some time to generate complete response and combine it to make a single answer. See, it's still generating. If we take this input line by line and start typing it on some UI, then it will look good like ChatGPT and all. But right now it's kinda log. See, it completed, but it kinda split everything in parts. If you want complete response once, then what you can do, you can use a flag or extra parameter. Okay, I'm back. Sorry for the wait. Uh, I was basically sneezing, and like it's not good to sneeze in the video. Okay, so there is a parameter stream, and we will set it false. So what it is doing basically, it will tell our Olama or free model to return all the response once. So if response will be big, it will take long time. So we will like try to reduce it. Give me five good movies. Name, just name in one line. No yapping. So by this, basically, it will give us one line response of its five movies name, and it will return all the response once. Like it will not split like before. So let's just send this payload to our model and see the response. Okay, JSON error. So what is the JSON error? Stream convert string go struct generate stream pool. Okay, so maybe we should not use commas here. Let's try now. Not commas, quotation marks. Okay, looks like it's working. So right now we send our request. Our fee model is processing the request through Olama, and after some time it will return all the response at once. If we will be streaming the response, we will see the output like one word each time, it like multiple lines. But since we disable the streaming, it will like generate complete response and send it all once. So let's wait and see what our fee model is generating. Hope it will suggest us some good movies which we can watch too. Okay, so it's generated response. So let's analyze this response. Okay, let's just copy it here. Format document. No, I guess we don't need it. Uh, let's create a different JSON file. It is a JSON. Maybe it is a JSON. Well, we actually just need, we can see there is a response model is 5 created at timestamp basically and response. So in response there is text, we just need this, we care only about what the model responded. uh, so okay, so response is still here, that is equal true, others parameter we don't care. So this is our respond and it is suggesting us five movies: the Shawshank, the Shawshank Redemption, Forrest Gump, The Godfather, Pulp Fiction, Inception. Oh, Inception, I saw, it's good. You can watch too. Five Friends, Alex Band, Chris David, Eric. Decide to watch movies mentioned by AI assistant. Each of the select different movie from the list given in the statement. Response: Shawshank Redemption, Forrest Grandfather, Fiction. There are certain preferences for which movie they will watch and their respective blah blah blah. Ban does not like movies about crime or prison life. What it is saying? It is like actions. Maybe it is giving lot of suggestions. I don't even know what it is saying. But see, this is how we install light LLM, low large language models locally. Uh, we should ask something more to it. Tell me what is gravity in one line. Uh, we should remove this part and let's ask this question again to the model. Let's see what it is gonna say this time. Okay, oh, this time it is fast. So it is saying gravity is a force that attracts objects with mass towards each other, keeping them ground on Earth. Okay, so this response looks fine. So you can ask anything else too. Uh, let's ask him, who is Einstein? By the way, like this is the how we can set up our any large language model locally, you can, like, you have the API endpoints and all, model is working, you can uh, you make some web application which interact with it and take the response and send to the UI, and like you can make a chat GPT like interface. There is a open web UI tool also which you can use to do that. uh, but I guess I should end this video here because we achieved our goal. We should ask like last question to our model. Who is Einstein? Oh, I forgot to tell him to not yapping, but it seems it generated little small uh, response. So it is saying Einstein, also known as, was a German-born theoretical physicist who developed the theory of relativity and scientific individual. So basically, it gave us a response. So yeah, this is our uh, so in this video you see like we can how we can use Docker to use Olama, and how can set up a small LLM model in it. The model is model named Phi basically, but like here you can specify the name of other models and you can set it up. My laptop has not much storage RAM, you can say, so I'm just using Phi model which consume only 2 GB of RAM. So you can try it with Llama and other models too, like which are more powerful. So here, I guess we should end this video. I will bring something more interesting or something interesting in next video for the playing with the Docker. So see, Docker is pretty useful. We just run this command and some API endpoints, and see our LLM is deployed locally. See, that's the power of Docker. You should try it. Let me know what you tried and which model. Also like, share and comment. See, yeah.